हेलो एंड वेलकम, यू आर वाचिंग हाउस सच कंसल्टिंग और मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त खुशी. एंड राइट नाउ वी आर स्टैंडिंग एट एजिस सिंबल टावर्स and this is a project of TNT Group, and in this video we are going to talk about all the inventories that are available here, all the amenities and the USP of this project and why you should invest here. So stay tuned till the end. Well, talking about where this project lies in Rajnagar extension on Mahavir Tyagi Road. रोड कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें सो एलिवेटेड रोड का एक्सेस यहाँ से बहुत पास रहेगा एंड दैट विल ऑल्सो कनेक्ट यू टू NH24. मेट्रो एंड RRTS कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो सबसे नज़दीक मेट्रो स्टेशन रहेगा आपका हिंडन रिवर एंड RRTS में गुलधर स्टेशन. कमर्शियल ऑप्शंस भी बहुत सारे हैं यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. One of them being KW Delhi 6 Mall, just 5 to 6 minutes from the project. Then there is the Opulent Mall nearby as well. And just like that, there are a lot of upcoming under construction commercial options on the way as well. If we talk about schools around the vicinity, then there is DPS Rajnagar, Presidium School, GD Goenka, Major D. Hospitals में the nearest to the project will be Yashoda Hospital. And well, to sum up the location, it's very good in connectivity. Well, developer की बात करें तो Aegis Symbol Tower is a project of TNT Group. And we all know TNT and its history of delivering fabulous projects. Now talking about the project details, it's a 3-side open plot that covers 5.25 acres of land. जिसमें there will be high street commercial area, green area and residential area. There are going to be 2 towers, Tower A and Tower B. Tower A being almost sold out. Tower B में there are inventories available for you. There are a total of 294 units in the project. Tower A having G plus 15 floors of height and Tower B has G plus 14 floors. There is a 3-level basement parking. The project is also approved by HDFC. It's a MyVan technology construction based project. The project also includes a 20,000 square feet clubhouse with banquet hall, swimming pool, and a lot more amenities. The USP of the project is that it's the first digital home project in Rajnagar extension. Your home will have automations. Video में end तक बने रहिए and I will explain to you more about this lovely project. Talking about Tower B of the project, the available sizes are 1750 square feet, 1950 square feet and 2400 square feet. There are 13 units on each floor with 6 lifts in Tower B. And now let's explore our sample flat to know in depth about your future home. And that's our 1865 square feet, 3 BHK plus 3 washrooms plus study room sample flat. Let's explore this. So in the starting we have this 8 feet front door with a digital lock. Let's explore our sample flat. It's beautiful 10 feet ceiling height. Spacious living room in the start. सबसे पहले तो we have our study room. फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं अपने living room की balcony की तरफ. It's a 6 feet wide balcony. Now here we have our dining area and kitchen in front of it with a utility balcony as well. यहाँ हैं हमारे bedrooms. That's our master bedroom with master space, balcony and washroom attached. Spacious enough to add furniture in your room here. Let's explore the rest of the rooms. That's our second bedroom, but before this comes our common washroom. Second bedroom with good space and balcony included in this room as well. और अब चलते हैं अपने third bedroom की तरफ, which also has an attached balcony and a beautiful washroom as well. That was a beautifully crafted home with digital automations, good space and a homely vibe. And well, that was all about the sample flat. And if we talk about the specifications of 3 and 4 BHK, then your flat will be semi-furnished with home automations, false ceiling with concealed lights, kitchen with complete woodwork, chimney and hob including, 7 feet door, washrooms with smart pot in the master bedroom, and just the way you see them. Wooden tiles in all bedrooms, wallpaper in the master bedroom, and TNT एक app provide करता है from which you can control your home. You can set an alarm to open your curtain or you can unlock your doors through that. And well, in detail knowledge लेनी हो इस project की, then you need to contact Housech Consulting for that. कैसा लगा आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट कमेंट्स में हमें ज़रूर बताना.
Well, that was it for the video, and if you think you're interested in investing here and if you want to know the possession and the price of this place, then you need to call us on 875000 5008 or you can WhatsApp us on the same number. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I am your host and dost Khushi, signing off.